Good morning to everyone. See here, today we will start new topic, simple interest. Simple interest and compound interest is there. We will see first simple interest. In this, first we will see basic concepts. The money borrowed or lent out for a certain period of time is called the sum or principal. Means see, the money borrowed or lent out for a certain period of time is called the sum or principal. Suppose you took some money from other person, then that money is called sum or principal. Okay. The money borrowed or lent out for a certain period of time is called the sum or principal. Now, the additional money paid in lieu of the money used by him is called interest. Suppose you took 10,000 rupees from X person for 1 year. Okay. And rate of interest is 5%, 6% like that. Then after 1 year, you will pay additional amount. That is your sum plus interest amount. Okay. So here the additional money paid in lieu of the money used by him is called interest. Means you took 10,000 from one person, you paid to him 11,000. Means what is the difference? 1,000 rupees more you are paying. That 1,000 rupees is called interest. Okay, see once again, the additional money paid in lieu of the money used by him is called interest. Means that money is so and so other person money you used. That's why you are paying more money. You took 10,000, you are paying to him 11,000. Then the 1,000 rupees is called interest. Okay. The total money paid back by the borrower to the lender is called the amount. The total money paid back by the borrower to the lender is called the amount. Just now I gave example. See here, actual amount is suppose 10,000. You paid interest 1,000 rupees. Then what is amount actually? What is amount? Your sum plus interest, that is amount. A is equal to P plus I. Amount is equal to principal plus I. That is amount. This amount you are paying to that person. I give this example just. Okay, 10,000 suppose you took. You paid 1,000 rupees interest. Then 10,000 is the sum of the money you took for 1 year. Then after 1 year you paid 1,000 rupees interest also. Means total money how much you paid? That is 10,000 plus 1,000 rupees. That is 11,000. So amount is equals to principal plus I. Very important. Amount is equal to principal plus I. A is equals to P plus I. Suppose if you want interest, I is equals to amount minus principal. Amount minus sum. Okay. Now rate. The interest on rupees 100 for a unit of time is called rate interest. See, the interest on rupees 100 for a unit of time is called the rate interest. Suppose R is equals to 9% P dot A per annum. Means 9% per annum is interest. Okay. Then how interest we will calculate for 100. So interest on rupees 100, that is for 100 rupees, 9 rupees you are taking as a interest per year. This meaning R is equal to 9% per annum. PM is per annum per year. Okay. Means interest on rupees 100 you are taking rupees 9 per year. For 100 rupees you are taking 9 rupees interest for 1 year. This meaning. Okay. So here we will use the formulas. I is equals to IRSI. Simple interest equals to PRT upon 100. SI or I. SI means simple interest. I also interest. Both are same only. P sum or rate of interest. T is time. So SI is equals to PRT upon 100. See now, just now we learn the formulas. simple interest I equals to PRT upon 100. I or SI, both are same only. I is equals to PRT upon 100. So amount formula is equals to P plus I, sum plus interest. Now see first problem. Sum of rupees is 4,500. Rate of interest is 7.2 upon 3% per annum. Time is 1 upon 2 means 2.5 years. Find simple interest. See what is the formula? I equals to PRT upon 100. See what is here, see. Sum is 4,500. P means 4,500 into R. 7 3s are 21 plus 2, 23 upon 3 into 2 2s are time. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 upon 2. So with 3 I did cancellation. First upon 100 is there, see. 2 zeros will get cancelled. 3 15s are 45. So 15 into 23 into 5 upon 2 is there. So this is 1725 upon 2 rupees. 1725 upon 2. That is 862.50. Now see simple interest is 862.50. Then what is amount? Amount is equals to 4,500 plus 862.50. That is, see, 45, 8, 53 means 5,362.50 rupees. This is the amount. Now, come to second problem. Find simple interest and amount on rupees 6,360. For 6 years, 3 months at rate of interest 8% per annum. See, find simple interest and amount on rupees 6,360 for 6 years, 3 months at 8% per annum. In I equals to PRT upon 100 is there, na? PRT upon 100. Here time is year. We are calculating for year. That's why 6 years, 3 months also we have to converting into years. That you have to keep in your mind. Okay. So now given sum of rupees 6,360. Time 6 years, 3 months. So this 3 months also you should convert into years. 1 year containing 12 months. 3 months means 3 upon 12 months. Means 3 1 jar 3, 3 4 jar. 6 1 upon 4. It is mixed fraction. Converting into improper fraction. 6 4 jar 24 plus 1. 25 upon 4. Means 25 upon 4 years. Rate of interest they give 8%. Now see. Simple interest equals to I equals to PRT upon 100. So now you see what is P value 6,360 into, see R value is 8 into time 25 upon 4. Upon 100 is there, see this is 100. Now see 25 4 jar 100. Okay, again see cancellation. Okay, 4 2 jar 8. So this simple interest is equal to, we will get here rupees 6,360 after cancellation upon 2. That is, see 2 31 jar 62, 2 8 jar 16. That is rupees 3,180. Now simple interest is 3,180. Amount is equals to principal plus I. What is sum? Means P. 6360 plus, just now we got na 3180. That is what? Interest. Then it is 9,540 rupees. That is the amount. Cancellation part you can do your wish which any table also. So here amount equals to rupees 9,540.